I'm with George of Formax at Flying at the Model Aero Club. We've got a new model here. George, do you want to tell us about it before we fly it?
This is the Inspiration. It's 1,380mm wingspan, runs on a 4-cell 3,700, weighs 4.3 pounds, and it's a bit of a test flight. It has flown, but just needs a little bit of a trim first, I think.
Soon to be available from Formax, yes?
Soon to be available from Formax, yes.
All right, with all the components that you need to get it in the air. So let's try it out, George.
Let's try it out.
Let's try it out.
And George has trusted you to fly, hasn't he, Dom?
No, I know, he must be mad. It must be crazy.
Is this the only one you have, George?
It is the only one I have.
Oh dear. No pressure, Dom.
No pressure. All right, okay to taxi out and take off? Okay, taking off. I like that, George.
Good.
Even though it's a little bit, there's a little bit wind, isn't there? But it's a good size for a model like today. There's 5 to 10 miles an hour of wind, and
a blustering wind.
It does everything that I can do, and that's not a lot. So, you know, stall turns and axial rolls and inverted flight and all that type of stuff. I really like it.
Yeah.
So if you're interested in something like this, then look it up on
www.4-max.co.uk.
We should do this more, George. All right, thanks for watching this Essential RC flight test. You might want to subscribe if you want to see more, but if you do, click the bell icon for notifications of our uploads and live streams. But thanks for watching this one. Thanks to George for letting me fly this, really enjoyed it, and thanks to Jason on camera. See you next time.